what's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today is a very special day for me, and what we're gonna do is do a very special unboxing. So let's go. So guys, I'll be doing a multiple unboxing. We normally do triple unboxing. The last time we did was, I think, quadruple unboxing. But this time, we will be unboxing 6 sneakers. Yes, 6 sneakers, guys. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be updated every time we release a video. But anyway, we release daily videos, guys. Every single day, we do give out at least one video. But today, we're actually releasing 3, and this is the 3rd video of the day, and I hope you guys enjoy this. As you know, it's a Fearless Dragon unboxing. So guys, you know from the title that we're doing a Fearless Dragon unboxing, so you probably have an idea what we're gonna unbox. But anyway, let's start the unboxing. So here we have a red Nike box. Some of you may know this box, but for some of you that don't know, this is actually an Air Jordan 1 box, and the box specifically for the Fearless pack or the Fearless collection. So let's start with the first one. This is, as mentioned, from the Fearless collection. This is the tissue paper with all the Fearless branding. And then there's another white tissue paper. And boom, this is the first sneaker that we're unboxing. This is the Face Tasm Air Jordan 1 Mid. Yep, so it has a like sort of a teal color with hits of orange, red, and black. This is actually a plain, one of the most plain sneakers that they have. Although what I noticed from this sneakers is that the leather that they use is really premium, and it has similarities with the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards 3.0. But I'll be discussing in details later when I do my review on this sneakers. So yeah, it has an extra lace over here. Let's get the other one. Okay, here it is. Of course, the usual Fear tag over here. So yeah, this is the Air Jordan 1 Mid made by Face Tasm. That's our first sneaker for today. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in this table, but anyway, I'll just put it here. Then let's move on to the next one. Again, another Fearless box, Jordan 1. What's inside? Let's see. Okay, I didn't bring out the Fear card, but from the other box. But okay, here's the next one. This is another Air Jordan 1 Mid, but this time it's from Blue the Great. It has another extra lace over here. Very colorful Air Jordan 1 Mid, and I actually like the materials that they use on the sneakers. Okay, let's get the other one. Okay, of course, the Fear tag. You have the sign of Blue the Great over there. And yeah, here is the next Air Jordan 1 Mid that we're unboxing. Okay, so I'm not sure where should I put this one, but probably here or maybe here. Yeah. Then the third one, another Fearless box. So let's open it. Of course, you know this already. And here we go. This is the Air Jordan 1 OG High Fearless. So this is the UNC to Chicago colorway in patent leather. This was actually released early November, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the other sneaker. Boom. Again, Fearless tag. Okay, so this is our third sneakers. I told you earlier that we're unboxing 6 sneakers. And I'm not sure how am I gonna fit it in this camera. But anyway, let's get the fourth one. So this one is actually the reverse of the other 3 boxes. So this is another Jordan 1 box, and here it is. This is the Air Jordan 1 High Bloodline. A lot of people don't like these. I think it's still sitting on some sneaker shops. I'm not sure why, but this is really a very underrated sneakers. The quality of the leather and the materials that they use on these are really, really nice, guys. So I'm not sure why there's no hype on these. Probably because everyone thought that Jordan brand is releasing the breads or the band Jordan 1, and instead of that we got these. But anyway, this is really one of the underrated Air Jordans that was released recently. So yeah, let's get the other one. Boom. Initially, I also thought that these sneakers are part of the Fearless collection. However, I found out that it's not. If you look at the box, it's different. Okay, 4 sneakers already, 4 Jordans, guys. We have 2 more to go. Now, this one, the next sneakers that I'll be unboxing is actually not an Air Jordan sneakers. This is this box. Probably you know what's inside this box. Yeah, you've probably seen a lot of reviews of these already, but I have it as well, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. This is part of the Fearless Dragon unboxing because this is the Air Force 1 Paranoid by G-Dragon. So here you go. Okay, let's get the other one. Okay, here it is. You have the tag here, piece -1. Okay, extra laces over here. Boom. Oh, they also have this pins. Anyway, I'll be doing a detailed review on every single one of these sneakers, so watch out for it, guys. I'm not just sure when I will release it, but definitely I will be doing individual reviews for each of these sneakers. So yeah, guys, I said I'm gonna be unboxing 6. I've only unboxed 5. So the last one that I'm gonna be unboxing is actually more of like an accident because I did not intend to buy it. However, I'm so stupid. I bid for these sneakers long time ago and I forgot about it. And for some reason, the price dropped and I accidentally bought it, which I'm so pissed because I already have the sneakers. And here it is. This is an Air Jordan 6 box. Air Jordan Travis Scott to be exact. In a way, I'm okay doing an unboxing for this because I didn't really did an unboxing for my first pair of this one. But anyway, this is my second pair of the Travis Scott Jordan 6. And here it goes. Boom. Let's get the next one. Other pair. So it comes with, for those of you who don't know, it comes with 2 extra laces, one in yellow, one in black. Yep. So yeah, here it is. This is the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott. So guys, this is all my unboxing for today, for this very special day. I hope you enjoyed it. This is one of my biggest unboxing ever because we get to unbox not 1, not 2, not 3 sneakers, but 6 sneakers. And I may say that the sneakers that we have unboxed are pretty solid. Not sure if you agree with me, but in my opinion, all of the sneakers in front of you are really solid. Some of you may not like these, but honestly, if you see it in person and if you feel the materials that they use on these sneakers, it's pretty solid. This one, it's pretty plain, but yeah, I think it's Face Tasm is a good designer, so yeah, I think it's pretty cool as well. I honestly, if I should rank anyone here, this is probably my least favorite. Yeah, the Travis Scott. I like the Jordan ones, even the mids. But anyway, because I can wear them. This one, it's very, for me, it's I'm having a hard time wearing these because it's very warm. And it's high cut sneakers. I know these are high cut sneakers, but when I wear them loosely without lacing them. Guys, did you notice that every single one of these sneakers have at least 1 extra laces? So actually, only these 2 sneakers have an extra lace. The rest of the sneakers have at least 2 extra laces. This one has 3. This is the Fearless. It has 3 laces. This one has 2 extra laces. The Bloodline, 2 extra laces over here. Oh, this one also have 1 extra lace. Only 1. The Paranoids only have 1 extra lace, but it's a thick one. This one has 2. So yeah, every single one of the sneakers that I got have an extra lace, and you know how I like extra laces, right? So anyway guys, that's about it. Please watch out for my individual reviews of each and every one of these sneakers that I'll be dropping probably before the end of the year. I'll make sure that I've reviewed every single one of these sneakers before the year ends, because I will tell you guys there's a lot more sneakers coming soon. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.